The 4 dimensions of health on the casting board with the Lenormand Seer Oracle. For a non-yes-no question, your symbol could end up on the physical, spiritual, mental, or emotional sections of the board. Today's example symbol is the lily, and if it ends up on the physical, it could be that your family or traditions are affecting you in the physical sphere. This could also include health or the location meaning of the oracle. For good or ill, lily landing on the emotional speaks to how elder family and or traditions are affecting you emotionally. Lily landing on the spiritual can relate to your family's religious traditions and or how your family is affecting your spirit and soul. The lily symbol landing on the mental word tells us that there may be some thoughts, processes, or planning around your elder family and or traditions. Each space on the board is an added layer of information for the symbols landing on or near them. It's up to you to interpret and use that information in conjunction with the other symbols and their placements on the board.